you guys enjoyed the last episode with the SEMA crunch and everything happening up to that point. Now you guys get to kind of see how SEMA happens, and you know, we were teamed up with AngelWax in their booth, and we had this Camaro in there. A huge, great reception with it. And so we're excited for you guys to kind of see that, how that entire situation works, and experience a little bit through this YouTube.
SEMA 2023 has finally happened. Big Kid Custom Rides is so excited to be in the AngelWax booth here in the West Hall, and we're extremely excited to show you guys all the 69 Camaro that we built. So we're going to do a little walk around and show you about it. So if you're here at SEMA, come stop by the AngelWax booth, check it out, say hi, and let's just kind of have some fun this week.
When it comes to selecting what vehicle we're going to take to SEMA, you know, we look at a few different factors of it, but this Camaro just had a really you know, unique overall finish to it. It was really cool looking when it was said and done in the paint booth with the color on it. You know, you take that and you put that with the interior and with the wheels and everything else that had kind of been done to it. We felt it was definitely SEMA worthy, and so it looked really awesome sitting in the AngelWax booth, and it got a lot of reception and really great attention. We love the partnerships that we've created with specific companies, and AngelWax is one of those. They're just a fantastic company to work with. You know, obviously as Big Kid Blocks, we sell their product, and so I truly stand behind what they do and what they sell. And it's a really great product, and so I have no problem with our vehicle being represented by their booth. You know, so it's really cool being at SEMA, seeing all these people coming and checking out the car and asking questions, and it's just, it's a long week. There's a lot happening, and it is mentally exhausting, but it is so worth it in the end when, you know, you see the final reception of the vehicle and the partnerships gained and the friendships that are strengthened and everything. So SEMA is a really fun time, and you know, we always love partnering up with AngelWax for this. So you're probably asking yourself, if this build was done a couple years ago for SEMA, then why is it behind me in this video here that we're doing for YouTube? Well, the question is that every build we do is very fluid, meaning that things just change along the way as the client experiences the journey and, you know, realizes things throughout the process and driving it and whatnot. And so the client on this one, you know, he's had it for a while, and then he started kind of seeing, you know, some different mirrors and, you know, a few different paint things that he was interested in. And so he brought it back to us, and so we've gone ahead and we've installed some different style mirrors on it, different style door handles. We painted the taillight panel black and a matte black finish. We're doing a little bit more bolster on the upper seats, as well as just, you know, doing a few touch-ups here and there from him driving it over the past, you know, year and a half or so. So that's why the vehicle's still behind me, and you know, you will notice from the SEMA videos to the final finish that there are a few little touches, so see if you guys can see those, and that's kind of the work that we've done on it the past month or so for this guy.